transmission.
What was that?
Not decipherable, sir. Code within code.
Where did he come in exactly?
170 degrees.
Correct to 170.
Chessboard in position. Repeat. Chessboard in position. Chessboard in position. Repeat. Chessboard in position. Chessboard in position. Chessboard in position.
Full throttle.
Chessboard in position. Repeat. Chessboard in position. Chessboard in position. Repeat. Chessboard in position. Chessboard in position. Repeat. Chessboard in position. Chessboard.
Call this mission Operation Brain Drain, codenamed Chessboard. Tonight we'll be going into Germany after our most vital target in weeks, the smeltering complex at Wilhelmshaven. This complex is located due north on the outskirts of the city. The plant has recently been converted from the manufacture of ball bearings and is now engaged in peak production of components for a new type torpedo. The factories can be identified as a rectangular cluster of buildings tightly bunched together. The Nazis are bringing in more and more forced labor to operate this plant. And as you can see here, adjacent to the production facilities, they've constructed a labor camp. We'll be flying at an altitude to assure maximum bombing accuracy so that we can minimize casualties among the laborers living adjacent to our target. It's hoped that the impact of this raid not only will destroy these factories, but will enable some of the labor prisoners to escape to freedom. I don't have to remind you that the Nazi submarines are knocking the hell out of our convoys, and the destruction of their torpedo plant can be of immeasurable value to us. This group can hit the Nazis right in the guts tonight and give them a taste of their own medicine. Let's see how they like it. General Palmer will lead the group, Major Howe will lead the high squadron, Colonel Scott will lead the low squadron. Operation Brain Drain, codename Chessboard. I repeat, Operation Brain Drain, codename Chessboard.